Got just a regular, like a potentiometer. It's wrong. It's the wrong value. It needs to be a 5K ohm, and it's like a 250K. But anyway, there's a power supply that came out of the treadmill. There's a treadmill motor. I've got it plugged into my power strip, so I'm going to go ahead and turn this power strip on, and you see the light is on the power supply board. Now I'm going to crank up the speed. There's slow, clear to fast, real fast, back down to slow. I can shut it clear off, start up. Okay, it's running slow. I can shut off the power. It stops, turn on the power, and it's still the same slow speed. So once I get the right rheostat or variable resistor or potentiometer for this thing, looks like I'm going to have a good motor.
They changed it. They don't have to do that no more.
Oh, you don't?
No, you just come in and get your...
Oh, no, I know it. Now we gotta get the real ID driver's license.
If you don't get, we had, by the end of the year or something like that, we got... Yeah, I gotta get that, that's gonna be what I'm